5341 and 5413. Yeah, local boy. Now that's a short train. Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this short train video here. And if you did, can you give this video a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will help bring other people here to my channel and check me out. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video is over. Have a good one. And thanks for watching.